Don't try this at home unless you have workers' comp. With this project, I never really did walk through and talk about what we're doing fully because I want to keep it kind of like a secret project. But as we're getting closer to unravel the install, kind of do a little simple walkthrough. Here is going to be a sunken area with fire pit and barbecue table. This is what we've been waiting for a while. This Korean 3D CNC panel, which is going to span all the way across to here. And what's also cool is there's a wave pattern on there. It's actually going to come all the way down to the Zen garden, which continues the pattern and go back up. Here's going to be a wall, fireplace. So this pattern is going to mimic this pattern. So we're going to have about 150 foot of this pattern carry all the way across. So getting wrapped up soon. We'll see what it is in 2-3 weeks. Can't wait. This is going to be a water feature that trickles down all over here, and we have a huge pattern that goes all the way across this wall here. Continue down, it's going to go to the ground, and then we're going to have another feature wall. Very cool. You can see in the sunlight up close all the little grooves. This panel is taking a really long time to get it right because a lot of things that we do are so custom that we always have to test and fit, and there's trial and error. But when it's the finish, it's all worth it. So stay tuned. So this is plastic grating, how we can support like cantilever ledge. It's set on pipes, so it's actually very durable. Okay, I should probably jump on it. So this is something that we test fitted on Monday. Very cool. It's made of accordion. Test fitting it, so let's see how it goes on the wall. So in this video, you can see that this bridge looks like it's floating, but it's actually just a visual trick. Put black tiles here, so you can't really see it. So it appears like it's floating, but it's actually not.